Welcome to Low Buck Builds. Today we have the YJ in the garage. And real quick before we get started, I want to give a plug to my buddy over at Bottom Dollar Builds. Those of you guys that missed the K10, he has an excellent channel where he rebuilds old square bodies from the frame up. And he does an excellent job over there. Again, that's Bottom Dollar Builds. I'll put a link at the end of this video for it. And no, he's not paying me to do an advertisement for him. He's gonna be a little upset when I sell his second favorite vehicle from the channel after selling his first favorite vehicle. And I can't lose my most active subscriber. Anyway, I'm just kidding, but still, check out his channel, guys. He's got a good thing going on over there. So let's get going. So we did remove the winch. I forgot to film it, but basically 4 bolts and then removed electrical cables. Whenever I did that, I noticed my headlights aren't working anymore. So today we're going to troubleshoot what's going on with the headlights. So stay tuned. Okay, so I went through the wiring here. There is a lot of it, but I actually ran relays and fuses and all the good stuff you're supposed to do. Everything looks alright. The fuses are good. I'm thinking maybe my switch might have went out. So when I originally put this in, I put a kill switch over here because this battery meter would drain the battery. So I wanted to be able to shut that off. And I'm going to go ahead and pull that switch out first and do a continuity check for both ground and power since I already had ground issues. So hang in there, give me a minute, we'll get it set up and get it done. I wear stuff like this for you guys. Please subscribe. Alright, so we're going to take this and we're going to do a continuity check. See if we have ground. No beeping. Not good. Alright, we'll see if we have hot. So it looks like we got wire disconnected. I guess I can go ahead and see if there's any voltage, but I already know there's not. Nothing. Alrighty, that's what we need to know. Sorry about the blurry footage. I'm still learning. I didn't have my head camera tilted down far enough. But hey, I'm still learning, guys. The videos are just going to keep getting better. I went ahead and rechecked the fuses just to make sure. I went ahead and clipped the wire going into the switch. That way I could test up to that point. I also had to remove all these zip ties so I could separate the wires to try to figure out where the short was. No hot. It was really hard to tell from the headband footage, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This right here is a fusible link that comes in to that wire that goes to the switch, and this connection right here was the problem. So I just clipped it off and redid it. So that's what caused the whole issue. Some lights, but we'll switch. There we go. Just like that, guys. I'll clean this up and fix the wiring. We'll come back. Beautiful. Alrighty, so we got everything wired back up. So we found our short. So you look, no lights, but I'll get the switch put back in too here in a minute. So you got lights here. Got our gauge working. And you already see, boom, we're back in business. Well, that'll wrap it up for this episode. You guys are YJ fans. Sorry, it's gotta go, but my plan is to get a new Jeep, but an automatic. This one riding into parades and all that stuff, it just tears my knees up being 6 foot tall. It's so small in there to shift. So I'm gonna sell this one and put the money towards a new Jeep that's automatic. It's gonna be another Wrangler. I'm gonna try to find a YJ, but they're very rare. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe. We got a lot of content coming up. Again, check out my buddy over at Bottom Dollar Builds. Link will be up here. See you guys next time.